chains forming around power plants in Iran, civilians standing in front of potential airstrikes. The question is, are they protecting their country or being used as shields? And this is happening right now, as the United States issues a direct ultimatum. In the city of Tabriz, crowds are gathering, linking hands around critical infrastructure, power plants, energy hubs, strategic targets. But here's where it gets serious. Some are calling this a powerful act of unity. Others are calling it something far more dangerous. Stay with me, because what happens next could impact the entire world. Reports say Iranian officials encouraged citizens, students, athletes, even artists to form these human chains. The message: we will defend our infrastructure. But critics say this crosses a line. This looks like civilians being placed in harm's way, what some experts are calling a human shield strategy. Others argue this is voluntary people standing up against external pressure. So, which is it? Because, at the same time, the U.S. warning includes the possibility of massive strikes if demands are not met. If things go wrong, these civilians could be caught in the middle. And this isn't just about Iran. Nearly 20% of the world's oil supply passes through the Strait of Hormuz. If tensions explode fuel prices, global markets, everything could be affected. It's the real question. Is this a strategic move to prevent attacks, or a dangerous gamble that could backfire? I want your opinion on this. Are these human chains an act of courage, or a risky political move? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And wait, because what analysts are saying about the next 24 hours is even more alarming. Some analysts believe this could either force a pause in military action, or increase the stakes if any strike happens. There's very little middle ground left. You now have civilians, military pressure, and a ticking clock. That combination is extremely volatile. This could be remembered as a moment of defiance, or a moment where the situation crossed into something far more dangerous. If you want real-time updates on global tensions like this, because this story is still a thing.